Good Sunday, everyone, and happy Groundhog Day. And I guess depending on where you are, depends on whether or not the groundhog saw his shadow or not. But I'll have to say, the extended outlook, it has its own story to tell. We'll talk about that more in just a moment. Today's USA mortgage level of concern level 0. No weather worries for our Sunday. Premier Generator's bringing us our threat level, and I'm now monitoring both Wednesday and Thursday. There continues to be no clear threats, but several ingredients are in place, one of those being above normal temperatures. And so just have to keep an eye on things. I'll let you know as soon as anything becomes clearer for the threats on these 2 days. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. And after we get these morning clouds out of here, we'll be mostly sunny. Thank goodness the clouds broke in time to see the International Space Station fly over yesterday evening. That was quite the sight. In addition to the crescent moon and Venus, which were putting on quite a show in the western sky. That'll be a show again tonight because we're going to have clear skies this evening as well. So highs around 61 by this afternoon, and then only dropping down around 41 overnight tonight. So no below freezing temperatures on this 5-day forecast. Monday, mostly sunny, highs in the mid 60s. Now it's going to be windy today and tomorrow, and for generally most of the week, with the exception of Tuesday, but those are southwest winds, so at least they're warm winds. Tuesday, we're mostly cloudy, just a chance for a sprinkle or a very isolated shower, especially for northern Fentress County and points north, but highs in the mid to upper 60s. To the west of us, back across Middle Tennessee, they're going to be well into the 70s. That's kind of crazy. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we remain very mild, but we also have a storm system impacting our area that will bring showers and thunderstorms. It's much needed rainfall once again, but some of those storms might be on the strong side. So it just depends on if everything can come together just right. We got the guidance is showing several ingredients coming together, but nothing just really clear cut. So I'll keep an eye on things. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing you your estimated daily precipitation forecast. And again, Tuesday, that sprinkle, isolated shower, trace or less, with the emphasis on or less. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, we could be looking at widespread areas of a ½ inch or more. So I'll keep an eye on that. Hopefully that trends upward because we still desperately need rain. We're over 2 inches below normal just for this year, and that was after leaving last year several inches below normal. So we have got a lot of catching up to do. Weichert Realtor is bringing us our extended threat outlook for now February 2nd through the 15th. So this is a new graphic I'm working on. Worked on this yesterday, and I think this will work better than the previous graphic. It's a calendar, and it's kind of showing you like the 2nd through the 4th, which is what we're dealing with right now, is much above normal temperatures. And our thunderstorm threat for the 5th and 6th have a heavy rain threat, looks like coming on the 9th. That's a week from today. I'll keep an eye on that. And then it could turn a little wintry toward the middle of the month. We may have chances for either rain or snow the 12th and the 13th, and again on the 15th. So the extended outlook is looking unsettled and at times rather interesting. When cold air can come in or not, it all remains questionable, but you'll notice that those are all yellow squares. That means my concern is low at this point. So you see the scale up there, low, medium, and high, just like the last graphic I used. And so if my concern increases for any of these days, you'll see them change from yellow to orange, and then hopefully not to red, but that would be high concern. And so we will watch this calendar as we go through the month, and we'll see how things change. But things are certainly looking active the rest of February. Bramble Travel bringing us our On This Day in Weather History. 1952, the only tropical storm of record to hit the U.S. in February, moved out of the Gulf of Mexico and across southern Florida and produced 60-mile-per-hour winds and 2 to 4 inches of rain. A February tropical storm. 2006, New Orleans is struck by 2 tornadoes, collapsing at least one previously damaged house and battering Louis Armstrong International Airport. So an active day there as well. You folks have a wonderful Sunday and keep looking up. For more weather information, download that Meteorologist Mark app or follow me at meteorologistmark.com.